everybody, this is Nora, and on today's video I have a very short but very fun tutorial for you, and this one is using one of Beauty Big Bang's brand new XL plates number 007, which is the unicorn plate, as you can see here. And the neon colors that I use is a variety of brands. So the first one here, this one is Funky Fingers, and the name of it is Kingston. You can see it right there. The other one, this is the pink. It's by Zoya, and this one is called Alley. The blue one by China Glaze, it's called Turned Up Turquoise. And the green is a new color from Madame Glam from the Geometry collection. This one is called Dexter's Lab. And this is the mani that you're going to see me work on today. I hope you guys enjoy.